Hello! Good to see you. Hopefully you enjoyed the video that was the... Oh my goodness, my hair is in the way! I need a haircut. The 10th anniversary of Skylanders. You can see here on this screen, somewhere here, a collection of all my Skylanders over those 10 years basically. And as a special treat for this 10th anniversary, I decided to make my very own Skylander, which was based off this book. This actually has a bunch of Skylander designs that I created as a kid with my 12-year-old mind, and I based my 10th anniversary off this. You can't, can you see this? You can see that, but you can't see that. No, you can't see that. You can see that. Yeah, you can see that. But you can sort of see me. But yeah, this was the Skylander named Speedbolt, a light Skylander with a land vehicle, because you know he's like speed, and you know you gotta have a fast land vehicle. And so, using my knowledge of modeling and stuff like that, I decided for the 10th anniversary of Skylanders, which is a thing that I hold very, very near and dear to my heart, as you can tell because it's a part of my YT name and social media name and all around. I decided to make my very own Skylander. And surprisingly, wait, where's like a Skylander? Here we go. Everything is fine. This video is getting pretty long, but you gotta get that watch time, boy. You gotta get that watch time. But as you can tell, this here guy, if I'm not mistaken, like I said, 10 years ago, believe it's drill sergeant. I'm very much like brain dead. I just had my exams. My brain is pretty dead. But you can see the size is pretty similar. A friend of mine named Joey Smith, who you should definitely check out. He has a YouTube channel. His thingamabob will be, YouTube page will be on this thing right here. It will cover up my face. It will just like slide down, and then yeah, you'll see it on here. But yeah, this came out really good. I was happy with it. Check out Joey. Love you, Skylanders. Honestly, you've changed my life completely. One of the best things to ever happen to me. And Skylander Boy and Girl, you know, like gotta shout out the FGTV or Funavision now, both. But Skylander Boy and Girl were the best thing in my 2015, 2016, and now life, really. Only lasted till like 17, right? Skylander Boy and Girl, 18 maybe. But man, they're a great channel, which, you know, has like, what, over 20 mil right now. So so it combined all the channels, so you know, pretty big deal. And they were one of the things as a child that really like made me feel really happy. And so with that in mind, 10th anniversary Skylanders, if you want me to make more of these based off my childhood designs or my 17-year-old brain, which is this brain right here, then yeah, I can definitely do some more 3D modeling with SketchUp apparently, because apparently that's the 3D modeling software. Who knows? You might like it. I love it. So hopefully you enjoy it, and I will see you in the next one, whatever it might be. Be happy, stay happy, and that's all I got, right? Speedboat. Yeah.